Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today also I am going to explain previous JEE mains questions from the chapter Binomial Theorem. So they are very important problems, important models. So even though they look somewhat lengthy, so if you do solve the problems patiently and carefully, getting the solutions is a very easy thing. Okay na? So such type of one problem is there. So even though the solution may look somewhat lengthy, but very easy problem it is. Okay. So let us see this problem. So it was asked in 2022 JEE mains examination. The question is, let the ratio of the fifth term from the beginning and the fifth term from the end in the binomial expansion. So this is a binomial expansion, that is a fourth root of 2 plus 1 by fourth root of 3 whole power n in the increasing powers of fourth root of 3b. So this is the ratio. So what is the ratio? This is a fifth term from the beginning to the fifth term from the end. It is the ratio. If the sixth term from the beginning is alpha by fourth root of 3, then what is alpha? So, okay. Anyhow, we have to find out the n, that is the index of the binomial. Then for this, what is given? So, I am explaining the solution. So, what is the binomial given? This is a fourth root of 2 by fourth root of 3 whole to the power of n. Fourth root of 2 plus 1 by fourth root of 3 whole to the power of n. So, in this expansion, there will be n plus 1 terms will be there. There will be n plus 1 term. What the term which is from the beginning, okay, what is the number of term which is end in the fifth term from the end, that we will calculate. So, this is this term. So, this is a n. So, this is a n minus 1, this is a n minus 2, this is n minus third term. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be that is equal to t n minus 3. T n minus 3 will be the fifth term from the end. T n minus 3 will be the fifth term from the end. Now, it is given that fifth term from the beginning, the ratio of fifth term from the beginning, and n minus nth term, n minus third term from the beginning, both are same. So, fifth term from the end is same as n minus 3th term from the beginning is same. So, this is given as the ratio is equal to how much? Fourth root of 6 by 1. So, this is the ratio given. Understand? So, let us see this. What is the fifth term? So, fifth term is given by NC4 into fourth root of 2 whole power n minus 4 into 1 by fourth root of 3 whole power 4 divided by n minus third term. So, here if it is a fifth term, you have to write down 4. If it is a n minus third means n minus 4 you have to write down. NC n minus 4 fourth root of 2 whole to the power of n minus of n minus 4. That means 4 into 1 by fourth root of 3 whole power n minus 4. So, this is equal to fourth root of 6 by 1 means no need to write. Now, is there any cancellation takes place? Clearly, NC4, NC n minus 4 both are same. We can cancel it. Okay, so this is a fourth root of 2, this is also fourth root of 2. So, we can write it as a fourth root of whole power n minus 4 minus 4, that is equal to n minus 8. This is 1 by n by fourth root of 3, 1 by fourth root of 3 whole to the a power m by a power n minus n. That is equal to 4 minus n plus 4, that is equal to 4 minus n plus 4. So, that is equal to 8 minus n. This is equal to fourth root of 6. Okay, now, right. From this, let us calculate n value. Anyhow, you calculate any value. So, this is equal to 2 to the power of Fourth root of 2 means what? 2 to the power of 1 by 4. That is equal to n minus 8 by 4 into. This is a 3 to the power of 1 by 4. 3 to the power of 1 by 4. If it comes, minus will be there. So, this is equal to 3 to the power of n minus 8 by 4. N minus 8 minus n will become n minus 8 by 4. So, this is equal to 6th root of 1 by 4. 6th root of 1 by 4. So, if you observe here, this is a 2 to the power of n minus 8 by 4. This is a 3 to the power of n minus 8 by 4. Both powers are same. That's why can I write down this as a 6th root of n minus 8 by 4. 6th root of 1 by 4. 6th root of n minus. So, a power m into b power n m is equal to ab whole power m we can write down. So, here bases are equal. So, this implies n minus 8 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So, this is equal to 4 will get cancelled. N minus 8 is equal to 1. Therefore, n is equal to 9. Altogether, we got n is equal to 9. Very nice problem. Understand here. So, once again I am telling a plus b whole to the power of n. This is a fifth term from the beginning. This is a fifth term from the end is same as here. Fifth is a total n plus 1 terms will be there. So, previous term 1, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 2. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. n minus 3, n minus third term from the beginning is same as fifth term from the end. This is ratio is given as 4th root of 6 by 1. So, T5, Tn minus 4 I calculated. So, we got the value n is equal to 9. So, we got n is equal to 9. So, find out the 6th term. Let it be equal to alpha by 4th root of 3. Then find the value of alpha. Okay na? So, let us continue our calculation. Welcome back. We got n is equal to 9. Then what will be the binomial? 4th root of 2 plus 1 by 4th root of 3 whole to the power of 9. Okay na? In this, let us find out 6th term. So, therefore, what is the 6th term is given as alpha by, okay, afterwards I will equate. What is the 6th term? So, this is equal to 9c5, 4th root of 2 whole to the power of 4, 1 by 4th root of 3 whole to the power of 5. So, this is equal to 9c5, 4th root of whole to the power of 4 into 1 by 4th root of 3 whole to the power of 5. So, I will calculate this 9c5 is same as 9c4 into 2 to the power of 4th root of 2 whole to the power of 4 means 4 will get cancelled. So, that is equal to 2. So, this is equal to 1 by 3 to the power of, so this is equal to 5 by 4. Again, so what is this 9c4? So, so this 9c4 I will calculate 9 into some 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 2 into 3 to the power of minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. This is given as 4th root of 6 is to 1. So, this is alpha by 4th root of 3. 4th root of 3 is given. Okay. So, let us, so otherwise then it is given alpha by 4th root of 3. It is better you keep this 4th root of here only. So, this is equal to 4th root of 3. Okay now. So, this can be written as a 4th root of 3 into 4th root of 3 whole to the power of 4 we can write it as. Why? Because we want 4th root of 3, this 4th root of 5 no, 4th root of 3 into 4th root of 3 whole power 4. So, if you multiply these two you will get 5, no problem. So, now this is equal to this value to 4th root of 3 whole to the power of 4 value is 3 into this is a value 2, this value 3 and this is equal to 4th root of 3. Keep it 4th root of 3. Why? Because we want 4th root of 3. Now, calculate this value. So, what that is your final answer. 2 will get cancelled. Okay, now 3 3s are 9 will get cancelled. 4 1s are 4 2s are will get cancelled. So 2 6 are 12. So 12 into 7, 14, 84. So this is equal to 84 by 4th root of 3. This is given by alpha by 4th root of 3. Therefore, alpha is equal to 84. So this is a integer type of question. Alpha value is 84. So very easy calculation. So here better 4th root of 3. See here 4th root of 3. We want 4th root of 3. That's why we separated like this and we got the answer. I hope that you understand this solution. So let us move to another problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So this also very one of the easiest problem. See this. Let the coefficients of the middle terms in the expansion of, there are 3 binomial expansions are right, respectively form the first 3 terms of the AP. So this is a form the first 3 terms of the AP. That means in these 3 expansions, that this middle term, this middle term, this middle term, all those 3 middle terms, they form an arithmetic progression. If D is the common difference of this AP, then find the value of 50 minus 2D by beta square is equal to. Okay now? Right. So this is a integer answer type question. So our aim is to first find out the beta value. Okay. So if you find out the beta value, almost the problem will be over. So to find the beta value, what is given data? So it is given that the middle terms of these 3 expansions form a arithmetic progression. Now to see here, what is the first term here? So first binomial 1 by root 36 beta x whole power 4. In this whole to the power of 4, how many terms will be there? There will be 5 terms will be there. So therefore third term, clearly the third term will be the middle term. What is the third term? Therefore third term is 4c2. Third term is 4c2. So this is a 1 by root 6 whole to the power of 4 minus 2 into this is equal to beta square. Understand? So I am not writing x to the power of 4. Why? Because this is asking coefficients only. So this is equal to how much? 4c2 value is a 6. 6 by 6 will get cancelled. So here 4c2 value 4 into 3 by. So this is a 6 into this is equal to 1 by 6. This is equal to beta square. This is equal to beta square. Understand? So this is the first term of the arithmetic progression. Now let us the second one, 1 minus 3 beta x whole square. What is the middle term here? What is the middle term is a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the middle term is equal to minus 6 beta. So this is a minus 6 beta. A square minus 2ab, that is minus 6 beta. So this is the second term. What is the third term? 1 minus beta by 2x whole power 6. 1 minus beta by 2 whole power 6 means total how many terms will be there? 7 terms will be there. 7 terms. Fourth term will be the middle term. Therefore, fourth term is equal to how much? 6c3. Fourth term I am finding. 6c3. Therefore, 1 to the power of 6 minus 3, 3. And minus beta by 2 whole cube. So, minus beta by 2 whole cube. So, this is given as a 6c3 value. And how much is 6c3 value? 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3 cancel 20. So this is equal to 20. This is equal to minus beta cube. Minus beta cube by 2 cube 8. 2 cube 8. Understand? Minus beta cube by minus beta cube by 8. Now 8 ones are, 2 4s are, 2 10s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are, minus 5 beta cube by 2. Total minus beta cube by minus 5 beta cube. Minus 5 beta cube by 2. Now beta square minus 6 beta minus 5 beta cube by 2. These 3 terms are in arithmetic progression. So let us calculate using arithmetic progression property. We will calculate this. We will find out the value of beta. Okay, now let us continue the calculation part here. A, B, C are in arithmetic progression. Then we have 2b is equal to a plus c. 2b means how much? Minus 12b is equal to a plus c. So a plus c means here beta square minus 5 beta cube by 2. Beta square minus 5 beta cube by 2. So 2b is equal to a plus c. Since beta is greater than 0, we can cancel it is beta, we can cancel beta value. Of course, we can get one of the value is beta is equal to 0. One of the, actually here beta cube will be there. So beta cube means you have to get 3 beta values. Okay, 3 beta values, but it is one of the value is beta is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. But he is saying that beta greater than 0. Therefore, beta is equal to 0, that is can be cancelled. Therefore, this is equal to 12 is equal to beta minus 5 beta square by 2. So, I cancelled with the beta. So, multiply with the 2. So, this is equal to minus 24 is equal to 2 beta minus 5 beta square. Now, this is a quadratic equation, 5 beta square minus 2 beta. This is a minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, now. 5 beta square minus, so this is now factorize this 5 beta square minus 2 beta minus 24. So 5 into you will get the we will get the factor 5 into minus 24. So I am calculating minus 24 into 5, 120. So you have to get minus 2, you have to get what are the fact 10 12s are 10 into 12. Of course here minus will be there. So now the 5 beta square plus 10 beta minus 12 beta minus 24 is equal to 0. We can take 5 beta common outside, beta plus 2 minus 12 common, beta plus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies beta plus 2 into 5 beta minus 12 is equal to 0. This implies beta is equal to minus 12 or 12 by 5. So we got beta is equal to minus 2 or 12 by 5. Once again here beta is greater than 0. That's why we can cancel beta is equal to minus 2. So therefore we got beta is equal to 12 by 5. Okay now? Right. After finding beta is equal to 12 by 5, substitute here, we can find out the common difference d. So here we will find out the common difference d. And we will substitute the value there and we will get the answer. Okay now? So let us continue the calculation. Welcome back to this calculation part. So these 3 terms are in arithmetic progression. Already we got a beta value here, that is a 12 by 5. Now the common difference d is equal to second term minus first term, that is equal to minus 6 beta minus beta square, minus 6 beta minus beta square. So this is equal to minus 6 into beta means 12 by 5 minus 12 by 5 whole square. So this is equal to minus 72. 72 by 5 minus 144 by 25. Okay. Right. So the LCM is equal to 25 here and you have to multiply with 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35, 36 minus 144. So this is equal to LCM 25, 4, 0, 504. Okay now? So 504 by 25. So this is got D value. D value we got minus 504 by 25. Okay now. Now it's asked to find out 50 minus 2D by beta square. That is equal to 50 minus 2 into D value is already, so this is equal to minus 504 by 25 by beta square. Beta square means 12 by 5 whole square. That is equal to 12 by 5 whole square. Understand? So now if you calculate this value, so here 5 square means 25. So this 25 cancel, 50 plus, so 2 into 504. So my plus will be there, 2 into 504 means how much? 1008 by, so this 25 cancel, 144. Okay. Now 50 plus 144, see here how much this will be there. 144 sevens, you check, 144 sevens, 7 fours are 28, 7 fours are 28, 30, 7 ones are 7, 10. So 144 ones are, 144 sevens are 57. Final answer is 57 is the final answer. Understand? Okay, only you have to, problem is very easy. The total problem is constructed on the basic concepts only. We are not, there are so many formulas are there in binomial theorem. So, but the total problem is constructed on the only basic concept, that is a middle term, middle term, middle term. So, here 6, 2, 4. Finding the middle term is also very easy. So, now they are in the AP, arithmetic progression, 2b is equal to a plus c. Beta we got calculation, and afterwards common difference also, this calculation part you have to carefully you do, then the answer you will get the answer. Okay, now I hope that you understand this solution. Let us move to next problem. Hi students, welcome to this problem. So this is also one of the somewhat critical problem. So let us see carefully. So one systematically we will proceed like that. If the maximum value of the term, independent of t, careful here. So independent of t in the expansion of total binomial expansion is k, then the value of 8k. So on the whole, in this binomial, we will find out the term independent of t, not x. Be careful about. Read the problem carefully. Independent of t. Now let us see the solution. What is the binomial given? T square into x power 1 by 5 plus 1 minus x whole power 10 by t whole to the power of 15. In this binomial expansion, you have to find out the term independent of t. For that, find the general term first of all. So, t r plus 1th term, general term is equal to 15cr. So, this is equal to t square into x power 1 by 5 whole to the power of 15 minus r into 1 minus x whole power 1 by 10 by t whole to the power of r. Understand? NCR into x to the power of n minus r into y to the power of r. So, we want the term independent of t. That means the t powers should be equal to 0. So, independent of t, for the term independent of t. So, what we will have? What are the powers of t here? See here, powers of t is equal to, see here, a power m whole power n, a power mn. So, what is the power of t here? 2 into 15 minus r. Here t to the power of r, denominator is there, t to the power of r. If it comes in the numerator, t to the power of minus r. This is equal to minus r is equal to 0. This is careful about, this is the power of t, the degree of t. So, understand. So, this is equal to 30 minus 2r minus r minus 3r. So, 3r is equal to 0. Therefore, r is equal to 10. Understand? R is equal to 10. So, in r is equal to 10, you will have a, what you will have? You will get a term independent of t. So, let us find out that term. So, if the maximum value of the term independent of t in the expansion is k. So, let us find out the term and find the maximum value of the term. Okay, now, so let us see that term. So, when r is equal to 10, so this is equal to, what is that? 15c10, independent term I am finding, independent term. Okay, now, independent term. Okay, what is that independent term here? 15c10. So, okay, t won't be there. So, this is equal to x to the power of 15 minus r by 5. So, this is equal to x to the power of 15 by r by 5 into this t power r will also get cancelled. So, this is equal to Okay, R value is 10. Okay, now I will substitute R is equal to 10 here, no problem. R is equal to 10. Here 1 minus x whole to the power of R value is 10, 10 by 10. So this is equal to 10 by 10. So once again I am finding 15C10 is same as 15C5 into x to the power of, see here, 15 minus 10, how much, see, 5, 5 by 1, 5, into this is 1 minus x. So this is the, in this binomial expansion, this is the term which is independent of t, Now, what is the maximum value of this? What is the maximum value when this term will be maximum? The value of x. What is the value of x for which the term will be the maximum? Okay, na? So let us see that. Welcome back. So now we are going to find out the value of x for which this function is maximum. Very simple. We will approach the calculus. So let this function be f of x. F of x is equal to x into 1 minus x. That means f of x is equal to x minus x square. For finding our maxima or minima, what is the first derivative? The first derivative f dash of x is equal to 1 minus 2x, that is equal to 0. For maxima and minima, so first derivative is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to how much? 1 by 2. So find out the second derivative is minus 2 is less than 0, therefore at x is equal to 1 by 2, the function x into 1 by x is maximum. So this is maximum when x is equal to 1 by 2. So from calculus we proved it. Understand this? Now therefore he is saying 15C5 into k value. So this x value is 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. He is saying this value is k. He is saying this value is k. Understand this? This value is the maximum value is k. So we got here k value as 15C5 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So therefore what is our k value? This is 15C5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is 15C5 into 1 by 4. Okay, now right. Now we want 8k value. So what is our 8k value? So this is equal to 8k is equal to 8 into 15C5 into 1 by 4. 8 into 15C5 into 1 by 4. So this is equal to 8 into 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 1 by 4. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So any more cancellations? Okay. So 3 4s are 12 will be get cancelled. Again 5 1s are 5 3s are will be get cancelled. 2 4s are 8 will be cancelled. So this is equal to 3 into 14 into 13 into 11. Calculate. You will get 6006. So that is the 8k value. 8k value is 6006. That will be the final answer. I hope that you enjoyed today's problems, and tomorrow's problems I will stand before you. Until then, all the best for you.